Wait, that chainsaw sound is coming from a bird? No edits, no tricks. This bird can copy any sound it hears. If you don't believe me, watch this. This is the superb lyrebird of Australia. Males don't just sing, they create full soundtracks mixing natural sounds, other birds' koala grunts, with human noises they've heard in the forest. They're the ultimate DJs of the animal kingdom, and they do it all to impress females. Let's dive into its mind-blowing features. Researchers recorded one lyrebird that perfectly mimicked a construction site hammering drills, a camera's motor drive, a crying human baby, and even the exact song of a locally extinct bird species. Their memory is so precise, they can reproduce sounds years after hearing them once. Isn't it mind-blowing? And the fun fact is, they can sing two songs at once, different melodies from each side of their voice box. Nature's original remix artist. Sound on for more animal mimics.